This image was made by MidJourney. It looks so good, and you can make one like this in 5 minutes. You don't know how? Keep watching the video. Welcome to this tutorial on creating stunning images with MidJourney AI. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, MidJourney AI can help you take your images to the next level. But before we dive into the step-by-step guide, let's take a moment to understand what MidJourney AI is and how it can benefit you. MidJourney AI is a cutting-edge technology that utilizes artificial intelligence and machine learning to automate and enhance various tasks. In the context of image editing, MidJourney AI can analyze and process images in a way that allows for quick and accurate editing without the need for manual labor. This can save you a lot of time and effort and allow you to achieve results that would otherwise be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional editing methods. MidJourney AI is also designed to be user-friendly and easy to use. Even if you don't have any prior experience with image editing, its intuitive interface and wide range of editing options make it accessible to everyone, from professional photographers to hobbyists. Don't miss out on any more informative and entertaining content like this. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from our channel. Also, leave a comment below letting us know what other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Let's talk about the 2 ways to experience MidJourney AI. We have the MidJourney bot, which you can use to generate images, and the web app, where you can find a gallery of your own work and other users' creations. You can use the MidJourney bot on the official Discord server. Now, let's create your first image. Once you start using the tool, you will be able to create a limited number of images before needing to subscribe. You will have around 25 free uses. Then we start creating our picture. First, you have to select one of the newbies channel. To use the MidJourney bot, use a Discord/command in a bot channel, like newbies 127. Start typing Imagine and click or tap on the Imagine option. The prompt field will be created, and now you can add whatever you want the bot to generate. Once you are satisfied with the prompt you just wrote, then send your message. That will deliver your request to the MidJourney bot, which will soon start generating your images. After a 2x2 grid of images has finished generating, 2 rows of buttons will appear. In the top row, U1, U2, U3, and U4 are buttons for upscaling your chosen image. Upscaling image generates a large version of the selected image. By default, this will also generate additional details. In the bottom row, Vault 1, Vault 2, Vault 3, and Vault 4 are buttons for creating variations. After you use a U button to upscale, you will have a few more options. Make variations does the same as the V buttons, generating new alternatives in a grid. When you have finished making your picture, you can click on the image to open it to full size and then save. Your upscaled image will immediately be visible on the MidJourney website. Become a paid subscriber if you want to generate more than the 25 free jobs. With a paid subscription, you will have access to more features and more jobs. In conclusion, MidJourney AI is a powerful tool that can help you take your images to the next level. Our goal for this video is to reach 20 subscribers. Help us reach our goal by subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with your friends and colleagues who would also be interested in learning about AI. Together, we can continue to bring you valuable and informative content. Thank you for your support.